All right, we're going to make a new post here. Add new. Click on that. We're going to make a new post, a gallery. We're going to call it whatever. So at this point, we're going to go and say it's going to be abstract and erotica. You can make that the primary if you want. We're going to go through, we're going to leave it on default template. Set your featured image. Go over to the gallery. We've already got a bunch of stuff there. That looks pretty great. Always do some alt text. Don't worry about Gigi, she's doing fine. I'm going to set your featured image. It'll pop up right there like that. You've got your categories and your featured image selected, just leaving that on standard. Go ahead and save the draft first. Go ahead, edit with Elementor. That's going to kick you over to this screen right here. And we're going to go ahead and add a template. Under templates, we have my templates. Under my templates, we have new post, insert. Yes. Post heading. It's going to be called whatever. I'm going to go ahead and I would suggest at this point grabbing the featured image. It's already marked up in your alt text. It's good to go. Insert media. Back to that, you can add a caption if you'd like. Click in here. We're going to yellow is amazing on sexy ladies, etc., etc., etc. Go over here. Now you're going to select your images. Add your images. Something like this. Mouth of art. Obviously, you want to be titling these something that's going to be appropriate if someone's looking for them. TRA. Something like that. Go ahead and select this thing. Dank pool. I'm going to select, I don't know, this guy. Dude with van. Create a new gallery. Select as many images as you'd like. Insert gallery. And there you have it. Publish. And then we're going to go back to where we were. This is the tricky part, not that tricky, but be sure to update here as well. And you should be good to go at this point. Jump over to your site. Do a hard refresh over here. And if we go to galleries, it's going to show up on the galleries page. And then if you select that, there's your gallery. Oh wait, we've already got one made. On drugs. Got a show there. On drugs. That's how you create and insert galleries. Let's not do this in mobile just for a second. Do a little more. Not even that. We're just going to go full size, but galleries page is going to have all of those. There'll be another column over here. Go back home. I'll fix the home page. But that's a rough on how to create galleries. And then we can look at it on mobile. And go down to little mobile. And from the galleries page, right there. I'll put some space in here and a title. This is the title of the gallery. I can see if I can change that the way it shows up in the post, but for now that's sort of the way it is. But you got a featured image and a little bit of text about each one of those. Click on that, and there you go. I can fix this margin too. That's a good start.